Hello and welcome to Smith Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2021 Nissan Qashqai 1.3 Dig T Premier Edition X-Tronic. It's a petrol automatic. This vehicle is a Nissan Intelligent Choice approved used car, which means you get a minimum of 12 months manufacturer approved warranty, 12 months RC breakdown cover, a multiple inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a look around the car. Here we are up front, we have LED headlights, front parking sensors, as well as a front camera. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel, there is front mudguards fitted. This car comes with 360-degree cameras, rear privacy glass. Now down to the rear wheel. Coming round to the back, there is rear mudguards fitted. We have rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera. Let's take a look in the boot. Now coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look in the back. Inside we have cloth interior. Rear ventilation and 2 USB charging points. This car also has a glass roof. Let's take a look in the front. Here we have the infotainment screen, climate controls, a wireless charging pad, drive selector, electronic handbrake, a flat bottom leather wheel, a heads-up display, coming down to the driver's side front wheel, and back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.